Good morning, students. In the last period, we have started the chapter Force and Types of Force of Subject Science of Standard 6. In this chapter, we have studied that no object changes its motion on its own. The force is necessary to change the direction of an object in motion or to stop the motion of an moving object. In this chapter, again we have learned that types of force. The first type is muscular force. Muscular force means the force exerted by the muscles of a body. For example, lifting a weight, writing on a board. Okay. The second is mechanical force. Mechanical force means the force exerted by the machines is called mechanical force. For example, using a tractor on a farm. Third force is gravitational force. What is the meaning of gravitational force? The force exerted by the earth to pull object towards its center. For example, fruits fall down to the ground is an example of gravitational force. Now, today we are going to study the further types of force. The fourth type is magnetic force. Students, do you have seen a magnet? Yes, we all have seen a magnet. Okay. This is the key in my one hand and here is magnet fitted in one key. Okay. And this is a pin. See what is happening here? Yes, this pin stick to the key. Means this pin stick to the magnet fitted in the key. Means why this happen? We all know that the magnetic materials iron, cobalt and nickel. These three materials attracted toward the magnet. And this is the one of the property of a magnet. Okay. This pin gets attracted toward the magnet. This is because of the magnetic force exerted by the magnet. Now, the fifth type is frictional force. Now, what is the meaning of frictional force? When two surfaces rub on each other. When two surfaces rub on each other, the force of friction comes into play. And it is possible for us to walk on the ground because of this frictional force. If there is no friction between our legs and in ground, then we got slip and fall. For example, we know the example that if the floor is wet or oily, then we got slip on that floor. Why this happened? Because the friction between the wet floor or oily floor and our leg is less and we got fall on the ground. Okay. Now, the sixth is electrostatic force. What is the meaning of electrostatic force? Students, see what I am doing here. This is the plastic scale in my one hand and here are some pieces of paper in my another hand. And now I am rubbing this plastic scale on my dry hair. And see what is happening here. Yes, these pieces of paper gets attracted toward this plastic scale. Why this happened? When I rub this scale on my dry hair, due to this friction or due to this rubbing, some electric charges are generated on this plastic scale. And so, these pieces of paper gets attracted toward this plastic scale. So, this type of force is called as electrostatic force. This type of force is called as electrostatic force. Now, the another point is combined force. Combined forces. When an action is taking place, various types of forces acts on that object. When an action is taking place, various types of forces acts on that object. In day-to-day life or daily, we place different types of actions. And it is not necessary that in that action only one type of force is included. One single action can include these more types of forces. For example, cutting nails. While cutting our nails, we use nail cutter, and nail cutter is as a simple machine. So, we use machine. So, while cutting nails, we uses mechanical force. Okay. Again, we press that machines to cut our nails. So, again we use the muscular force. Okay. And these cut nails falls down to the ground. They do not go upward in the sky. Okay. So, again the third type is acts on that action is gravitational force. Means while cutting nails, three types of forces act on that action. Which are they? The first is we use machines, means mechanical force. Then we use our hand force, so muscular force, and the cut nails falls down on the ground. We use again gravitational force. Okay students, here the chapter is finished now. On the next period, we will see the next chapter. Okay, till then, bye and take care.